نحن في أقل من 100 ساعة ما يقارب من 300 ضحية من الجرحى والشهداء. هذه لا تستطيع مستشفيات الجمهورية استقبالهم في محافظة أو محافظتين، في انعدام التجهيزات وانعدام الأدوية وإنهاك الكادر، مما زاد العدوان إمعانا في قتل الشعب اليمني، وهو قطع النافذة الواحدة للإنترنت. اليوم يريدون قتل الشعب اليمني بصمت حتى لا يعلم العالم ماذا يحدث في الشعب اليمني. نحن نحذر من خلال كل القنوات الإعلامية من أن العدوان يحضر لجريمة وإبادة أكبر قدر ممكن من الضحايا المدنيين كما حدث في ليلة البارحة.
The attack on Abu Dhabi is an escalation that is regrettable and, in my opinion, is a serious mistake, independently of the fact that it is unacceptable. Now, any bombardment that targets civilians or that is not careful enough to protect civilians is, of course, also unacceptable. What we need is to stop this vicious circle in which things get escalating one after the other. What we need is to have, as we have been proposing from long ago, a ceasefire together with the opening of harbor and airports, and then the beginning of a serious dialogue among the parties. This escalation needs to stop.
The UAE requested today's meeting following the heinous terrorist attacks by the Houthi militias against my country that killed 3 people and wounded 6 others, all of them civilians. The Council has made it clear in its statement today that more international action is needed to address the Houthi threat and hold them responsible. We are strongly encouraged that the Council has unanimously joined over 100 countries and international organizations in strongly condemning the Houthi terrorist attack, a flagrant violation of international law. We have also asked that the Council remain seized of this matter. What you have heard today is the unanimous condemnation by the Security Council against the terrorist attack against the United Arab Emirates on Monday, the 17th of January.
I'm not asking
and that is
I'm
rare.
asking about your response, and whether it was proportionate, given that at least 60 people have died, maybe as many as 100.
I'd like to refer you to the Coalition's statement on that matter, but I'd also like to affirm here that the Coalition undertakes to abide by international law and proportionate response in all its military operations.